Maple syrup's culinary uses extend beyond topping pancakes. If you're looking for sweetness, but with extra richness and flavor, try adding maple syrup. Maple syrup can be used much like honey to add sweetness to glazes, dressings, desserts and more. Unlike some sweeteners, such as refined sugar, maple syrup is a good source of beneficial nutrients, antioxidants and phytochemicals including calcium, iron, and thiamine. Some health professionals claim maple syrup may have anti-cancer, antibacterial, and anti-diabetic properties. Others suggest we should not forget maple syrup still packs on calories and likely pounds. 1. Maple syrup glaze for meat and fish. 2. Maple butter. 3. Maple blueberry mousse. See a wide spectrum of maple syrup recipes from Bon Appetit.